Hi everybody, it's Becky with Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we're going to make a scrumptious peppermint buttercream, and this recipe is really easy too. We're going to start with 1 pound of unsalted room temperature butter, and that way it'll mix up real nice. Now I'm going to mix it on medium high for a couple minutes. I want to beat it real well until it starts to turn more of a whitish color rather than a yellow color. Now, if you're doing this in a stand mixer, I usually use my paddle attachment, but I decided to do things the hard way today and just use this mixer, the hand mixer. Once it gets this nice whiter color, it's still an off-white, but it's much lighter than it was before. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my other ingredients. I have 2 pounds of confectioner sugar, and I'm gonna pour it right from the bag because this confectioner sugar here is not lumpy at all, so I'm not going to have clumps. I'm going to do about half of it now, and then I'll do half of it later. But you can add it at 1 cup intervals if you really want to avoid the mess of powdered sugar spraying places. But I just do half a bag at a time, and that's pretty easy. Then I'll add my 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 3 teaspoons of the peppermint extract. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of milk. And then I'm going to beat that on low until that's incorporated pretty well. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the second half of my bag and then beat that again until it is all well incorporated. Once it's incorporated pretty well, you're going to want to stop your mixer, and then you're going to want to scrape the sides really good with a spatula because there's going to be some powdered sugar and stuff that didn't quite make it all the way in. So we're going to make sure that it's all well mixed together by scraping our sides all the way around. And then we'll mix it one last time, and then it'll be ready to pipe. Or you can spread it on a cake, or however you're going to do this. This will also spread really nicely on a cake. You want to get out some of those air bubbles before you spread it on a cake, so I just kind of press it down real good with my spatula for a while to work out those air bubbles. And then I just stick it in a piping bag, and I'm going to go ahead and pipe these yummy cupcakes. Now, if you want to see what kind of cupcakes I did today, these are my chocolate peppermint cupcakes. Are filled with chocolate ganache and then drizzled on top with some peppermint sprinkled on top, and they are so delicious. If you want to see how I did this, I am going to do the tutorial next on how to do these chocolate-filled chocolate cupcakes with peppermint buttercream on top. Thank you so much for joining me today, and please subscribe to my channel.